This is Simi and Dewey, female number 1. It's got beautiful open rosettes and a very spunky personality. Come here. Very slick pattern. Come here. Beautiful open rosetted pattern. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Hi. Hi. Be a very beautiful girl. Very glass-like coat as she grows.